So I had a request to do some road riding. So I'm gonna take the Himalayan up to the parkway. I thought I'd start down here at the river just to get some scenery. All right, so this is going to be with the new tires, so they're a little bit louder on the road, so you pick up a little bit of hum slash a whine maybe. I thought these tires would be less noisy than the front tire. I thought it was going to be less noisy than the 606 front tire, because I got the Dunlop 606 rear, and I went with the Pirelli MT21 up front because people said it's quieter, but it's not. To me, it has that same one. So, but it hooks up good. I mean, I'm happy with it, but I could have just went with another 606 and I think it would have been the same. All right, so we're gonna go for a quick ride up to the parkway, get out of here because I think I'm trespassing technically. So we're gonna go, let me turn around. Get out of here real quick. Alright, we're gonna go head up to the parkway from here. Some sections I have to go super slow because it's well, you'll see. It's super twisty. It's super sharp turns. Alright. Hear a little whine. Pretty sure it's the front tire. I'm also trying some different settings on the camera, so let's see if that's better or worse. We're doing 2.7K at the super view. I figured the might catch better other, the surrounding scenery. Be a little wider settings, I don't know, we'll see. One thing I really like about this bike on roads like this, it's not a lot of downshifting. You can slow down, it just chugs along and gets back up to speed. Like there, I probably should have downshifted, but I just let it chug along. There's a turkey lurkey. See, some of these I do switch down. because they get super steep, and there's a lot of rocks. Like if you see the little gravel down there, we get gravel and rocks that come off the side. I got the headlight buzz. If I hold the headlight, the buzz stops. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it's annoying. Shift down on this guy. And just tracks along. Once I get to the parkway, it's not nearly as windy as this. This is kind of going straight up a mountain to get to the parkway. So usually the vibration is a good indicator to tell you should probably shift up. It's usually about, you know, the higher RPMs. See, it's telling me shift up. Usually a bunch of Harleys up around here. We shall see. Like the ones up there. I'm guessing that's what they are. Going too slow on the twisties. So while we're going slow here, if anybody is not used to the more knobbier tires, a huge thing you have to be careful for is when there's like little cracks or like little uneven sections of the road, the knobs seem to like kind of try to follow them, if that makes sense. So like these little cracks here, if you're going over them with the knobbies, it'll kind of want to follow them, like they kind of get into the groove, kind of like when you're off-road and you're in a rut. Normally I go that way, but if I go this way, this mountain's on the south side of our house, so you can actually see our house from the mountain somewhere. Just don't know where. But I'm gonna go this way anyway, just because some of the scenery I think is a lot better. So we're going up near the Peaks of Otter. See what I mean by the scenery? Ooh, baby. So there's this one overlook up here that I will stop at just because I just freaking love it. It's just kind of cool. Well, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just keep riding a little bit. So I think technically the whole speed limit on this parkway is 45. It used to be 55. And my ears pop every time I ride up here and back. So this is the cool overlook. Let me I'll just do a slow motion ride by so you can just see. Well, I mean, there's a lot of cool overlooks, but this one's just super cool because you can see two ridge lines here, then the ridge line there. To me, it like reminds me of like a little mini half for Giants. That's what I think of every time I see mountain ranges like that. Just like, you know, imagine. I'm gonna go stop this video up here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it sounded good, and I hope the video settings just kind of captured a little bit more scenery a little bit better. And I hope you got an idea of what the Himalayan sounds like on, you know, some twisties. It handles really well. I'm pretty impressed with it. I mean, for the power or lack of power it has, it does pretty awesome. I love everything being so empty up here during the week. So yeah, I'm still loving the Himalayan. Wait, what goes that way? The trail I took last time went up this way. Or came from, yeah, it started up here. I didn't know there was more road that passed the turn. Alright, I might have to keep going. Alright, so in case I do end the video here, thanks for watching, and if you like it, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, give me more ideas of videos you want to see, because I mean, I pretty much can, you know, go for a ride every day after work. So yeah, let me know.